Keegan, that's enough.
Keegan, I'm dying.
They're going to be coming from Ocean City. Move. Keegan, you're standing right in front of the video. Keegan, move. I mean, they're not going to hurt you. Bye.
Did anybody even take one?
The seagulls are like, I'm really at a crossroads here.
Keegan put the whole bag on you. I think so too.
Oh no, no, no! Back me down! I'll do it. Did you hear him? He's like Bigfoot. Michael, run like your dad! I'll do it. Look, easy. I'm like your dad. Easy, I'll let you do it.
Now they're not coming down.